At bago pa man siya sumikat sa buong mundo dahil sa American Idol, kapansin-pansin na raw talaga ang husay at talento ni Jessica Sanchez. Pagdating sa pagkanta, ayon yan mismo sa direktor ng school choir na kinabilangan niya noon. Narito po report ni Jessica Soho mula sa California.
It's all over but the voting. Tapos na ang final performances ng Final 2 ng American Idol na sina Jessica Sanchez at Philip Phillips. Aabangan na lang bukas kung sino ang winner. Samantala sa mga sandaling ito, buhay na naman ang mga voting at viewing parties dito sa California. Libo-libo kung hindi man milyon-milyong mga daliri ang busy ngayon sa online at text voting. Kasama na riyan syempre ang mga tiga Chula Vista dito sa California kung saan nagmula si Jessica. Masidhi ang pagsisikap ngayon ng mga Pilipino dito maging sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo para itaguyod si Jessica Sanchez sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga boto na siya ang tatanghaling American Idol. Hi, how are you? We're from the Philippines.
Oh, you're from GMA.
You know what?
We've been to the Filipino, what is it, the Filipino Fair in National City. We're there. Oh, hi.
What made you do this?
Jessica.
Have a placard and
Actually, we're from Chula Vista.
Jessica from Chula Vista.
We're from Chula Vista, and this girl has the voice.
Yes.
And you know what? Maybe the other guy has all the fanfare and the eyes, but this girl has the talent.
Vote for Jessica. Vote for Jessica. Voting party na isinasagawa para kay Jessica Sanchez ng Filipino community sa Chula Vista. Madalas nagpo-perform ang iba't ibang mga choir. Kasama na ang Eastlake Middle School Choir kung saan dating miyembro si Jessica.
There's just Jessica Sanchez right there when she's an 8th grader at Eastlake Middle School.
Ayon sa kwento ng Pilipino nilang choir master na si John Academia, noon pa man, stand out na raw si Jessica.
We sang once at a holiday concert with a bunch of high school kids, and they didn't think we'd be that good, but once she got up on stage and started singing, they were just blown away, just started cheering for her in the middle of the song. She was so good.
Pero may pagkapilya rin daw.
She once asked if she could use a cell phone in class, and of course I said, no, we can't do that. And she said, well, I'm waiting for MTV to contact me. It's like, oh, okay, if MTV calls, just go outside the door and take the call, and she did.
Ang mga miyembro ngayon ng Eastlake Middle School Choir, proud na proud sa kanilang alumni.
Good luck, and I hope you win, and we're all rooting for you. She's an inspiration to all of us because she came from where we live. We love Jessica!
At siguradong matapos ang performance night ngayon ng Last Woman at Last Man Standing sa American Idol, nagsipagbotohan muli ang mga tiga rito at mga naniniwalang si Jessica Sanchez ang dapat tanghaling American Idol.
1866 436 5701
Okay, sinagot na ako nung recording machine, so nakaboto na ako. So that's 1 vote for Jessica Sanchez.
Mula sa Los Angeles, California, Jessica Soho, GMA News.